Two of the world's most powerful countries share one of the world's most disputed border. No declared war, no final peace, just tension, talk and troops in the mountains. This is the India-China border. Rivalry explained simply. India and China share a border stretching over 3,000 kilometers across the Himalayas. But here the catch. Much of this border is not officially agreed upon. Instead, both sides follow the line of actual control or LAC, a line that separates where each side currently controlled territory but not a legally settled border. Different maps, different historical claims, and different interpretation have kept this issue alive for decades. There are two major disputed regions. First, Akasai, China in the west, controlled by China but claimed by India. It's strategically important because it connects key Chinese regions. Second, Arunachal Pradesh in the east, governed by India but claimed by China. This area holds strategic and cultural importance. Both nations see these areas as vital. Neither wants to compromise easily. In recent years, tension increased due to troops buildup, patrol clashes, and and in and infrastructure development like roads and airstrips near the border. There have been standoffs where soldiers faced each other for weeks or months. Some incidents even turned violent, shocking the world. Since then, both countries have held multiple military and diplomatic talks to prevent escalation. Today, the situation is generally controlled but still sensitive. Troops remain deployed in the large numbers and both sides stay alert. This rivalry matters not just for India and China but for global stability. Both are nuclear armed powers and major global economies. Any serious conflict could affect trade, regional security, and international relations. At the same time, both countries also trade heavily with each other, showing that competition and cooperation happens side by side. So the India-China rivalry is not just about land, it's it's about strategy, security and influence in Asia. For now, dialogue continues, soldiers stay watchful and the mountain remains quiet but closely monitored because on this border, peace is maintained not by agreement but by balance.